भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स नमो बुद्धाय नमो धम्माय नमो संघाय. Most respected Venerable Bhikkhuni Sangha and participant and dear scholar, World Bhikkhuni Sangha Assembly, all the participants, I heartily thanks the organizer for giving me valuable opportunity to be part of this global Bhikkhuni gathering, and also gratitude to my teacher for encouraging me. I greatly acknowledge my Upacharya, most venerable Bhikkhuni Dhammashanti Mahatheri, and most venerable Ayya Shakya Dhammadina, who encourage me and give a chance express my presentation today. This is my first presentation, so sorry for any mistake, and I cannot speak English very well. Today I present my short topic, Buddha education from Vinaya discipline to Abhidhamma study, educational revival in India. So, introduction. Buddhist education is not only about knowledge but about purification of mind, wisdom and compassion. The Buddha created both the Bhikkhu Sangha and Bhikkhuni Sangha, giving women equal opportunity for the spiritual and intellectual growth. Historical background. In the time of the Buddha, Bhikkhunis were respected teachers and scholar figures such as Mahaprajapati Gautami, Dhammadina, Bhikkhuni Kisa Gautami, and Patanjara represent the depth of wisdom in the Bhikkhuni tradition. Structure of Bhikkhuni education. Traditional Buddhist education developed across three major areas. One is Vinaya, discipline. Second, Sutta, Dhamma study. Teaching of Buddha, Abhidhamma, analytical understanding of mind and the reality. Vinaya, foundation of monastic education. Vinaya established discipline, harmony and ethical living in the Sangha. For Bhikkhunis, Vinaya training build humility, mindfulness and responsibility within the monastic community. Sutta study. The Sutta provide practical teaching of the Buddha. Through this teaching, bhikkhunis understand the Four Noble Truths, the Noble Eightfold Path, and the cultivation of compassion and wisdom. Abhidhamma study. Abhidhamma offers a deep analysis of mind and mental process. This advanced study supports meditation, practice, and helps develop profound wisdom. Decline of discipline of education in India. Historical and political changes weakened Buddhist institution in India. Great universities such as Nalanda and Vikramshila declined, affecting monastic education, including bhikkhuni training. Contemporary revival in modern India. There is a renewed effort to revive bhikkhuni education. Institutions are teaching Pali Tripitaka studies, meditation, and Buddhist philosophy. Global importance. Bhikkhunis today play an important role in spreading compassion, mindfulness, and ethical living, strengthening bhikkhuni education, supports equality and the preservation of the Dhamma worldwide. Conclusion. Reviving bhikkhuni education from Vinaya to Abhidhamma is essential for the future of Buddhism. It represents the renewal of wisdom, compassion, and equality in the modern world. So, I'm last.